I just had to let you know you're.
So hi, good day everyone. I am Janel Sibuling
I'm Giselaine.
and we are BSF students of Bicycleape. So for today's video, we will demonstrate the 4 major strokes of swimming, which are the freestyle stroke, the backstroke, the butterfly stroke, and the breaststroke. So the first stroke is the freestyle stroke. The fastest stroke characterized by alternating arm movements and a flutter kick. And here's the technique on how to do it. So the first technique is face down position in the water. The second technique is continuous arm movement and rotation. So the second stroke is the backstroke stroke, the only stroke performed on the back with a flapper kick and alternating arm movement. So here are the technique on how to do it. So the first one is face up position in the water. The second one is arms alternate in a circular motion. And the third one is steady flapper kick for propulsion. So here's the technique on how to do it. So the third stroke is the breaststroke stroke, a slower stroke but requires strong timing and coordination. So here are the techniques on how to properly do it. So the first one is arms move in a half circle simultaneously. The second one is frog-like kick with a glide pace. And the last one is the head rises above the water for each breath. And here's the technique on how to properly do it. So the first stroke is the butterfly stroke, the most physically demanding stroke using simultaneous arm movements and a dolphin kick. And here is the techniques on how to properly do it. So the first one is arms sweep forward and then backward together. And the second one is dolphin kick with both legs moving in unison. And the last one is breathing is synchronized with the arm movements. And here is the proper way on how to do it. And that was the 4th stroke of swimming. And I hope you learned something. Again, this is Janel Sibuling.
I'm Giselaine.
And thank you for watching.